Hey, Steaming Bean here, coming at you from the north. This is, we're officially well into spring on the calendar, but weather says no. Anyways, there we got the school bus just starting to go, but I am on foot this morning. I don't want to be driving on this unplowed road. All right, so off to school I go. Yeah, it's gonna be like snowing like this for I think a few days, and there's a trail behind me. So it's a couple feet that snowed overnight, and I was looking at the weather app. It's going to continue like this for the next several days coming. So it's like, I'm not going to complain about receiving precipitation because last couple summers, after living with the threat of forest fires, it's all good. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Hey, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Best of all, leave a comment. Let me know where you are and how you're doing. Hey, brief update. I was walking along and good old northern Saskatchewan hospitality. I got a lift in most of the way to school. So I am, here we are. It's, right now there should be trucks in the parking lot, vehicles in the parking lot, but we'll see.